Stukulele from Uke Mullum here. Thanks for dropping by. The next Uke Night is going to be the best of the year of 2018. And so I'm going to remake one of my favourite songs, which is called Blues On A Ukulele. I've done a Uketorial for this once before, and it turns out that the man who wrote the song, Mr. Beloff, has been in touch with me to thank me. And he also sent me the lead sheet, and it turns out I have a few chords wrong. So I'm going to rectify that today. And back this week to perform the song with me is my good friend, Miss Gittins.
Hello.
Hello, Kate. You know, I read an article the other day about the fact that recorders are no longer really being used as the go-to instrument at schools because everyone's learning music on the ukulele. And as a result, we're losing clarinet players and other wind players.
It's true. There's definitely less saxophone players, flautists, clarinet players. I'm teaching lots of piano instead, so it's a sad state of affairs, Stu.
What can we do about it?
Well, I think it's about funding. I think it's about schools admitting that music's really important, getting advice from places like conservatoriums to give them the right structure. And then, we just need to get good teachers in schools, inspiring kids, and make the rental programs cheap so parents are prepared to rent instruments and take it from there.
Yeah.
We go from recorder to flute to clarinet to sax to trombone, trumpet, and it'll be great.
I've found that I have left-handed students who are really struggling to play the right-handed ukulele. Rather than forcing them to play on a right-handed instrument, maybe we could just hand them the recorder.
Great idea. Perfect. It'd be lovely to have melody lines along with ukes. That's a good solution.
We've solved it. I'll have to learn how to play the recorder now.
Good luck.
How hard could it be? They say you can't play blues on a ukulele, but there they are wrong. You went away, and this is all I play, my ukulele sad song. They say you can't cry and play a ukulele, but what do they know? I start to strum, and soon the tears will come, and then the blues just follow. They say that there's no happy sound. That's not the case when you're not around. They say you can't play blues on a ukulele, but since we're apart, oh, from that day I can only play the strings of my broken heart. They say that there's no happier sound. That's not the case when you're not around. They say you can't play blues on a ukulele, but since we're apart, oh, from that day I can only play the strings of my broken heart. Oh, from that day, I can only play the strings of my broken heart. Thanks so much for watching. Remember, if you can't make it to the club on Thursday the 29th of November for the best of 2018, you can always tune into the YouTube channel and watch it streamed live. If you haven't subscribed, please do, and share the video if you like it. That is the best way that you can support us. And of course, if you want song sheets and tabs, you know where to go, patreon.com/Uke Mullum. Thanks again, and I'll see you next time.
There's a swirl in the sun and a swirl in the sky. There's a smile on the face of everybody passing by.